Yo, what is going on YouTube? This is Technically T, and today I want to bring you a quick unboxing, a quick first look at the brand new leather Nomad mousepad. Now I do want to give a huge shout out for Nomad for dropping me this product to review. Now I'm not just saying this because they sent me the product, but I was literally just looking for a brand new mousepad to run on my desk setup, and this actually came right in time. So a huge shout out to you guys. But enough of that. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we have in front of us. And as you see here, if I asked you what was in this box, man, you would not say it's a mouse pad. But as you see, Nomad, designed for adventure, in a very nice box. And, you know, the presentation is everything when it comes to me. So this is a very, very nice presentation. Taking a look around the box, nothing else much on it. So let's go ahead and take it off. So let's pop this top off and look it up on the inside. So as you see, it says Horween Leather since 1905. If you already know, that's the real deal when it comes to leather. So let's go ahead and drop that lid to the side. Usually I throw lids to the side, but that's too nice to be actually throwing around. But as you see here, you are greeted with a very nice felt bag, tie-up bag, drawstring bag that actually houses the mouse pad itself. And I mean, how premium can you get when it comes to that? So let's move that to the box to the side. Like I said, there's nothing on the back of the box. So let's go ahead and put that down. But let's take a look at the actual bag. Now, as you see, this is a very nice bag. Has a nice little drawstring on it. Very nice touch through Nomad. As you see right here, it is also branded Nomad. And that's like actually stitched into the case. So they really took their time when it came with the packaging of this mouse pad. So let's go ahead and turn it. And let's slide the actual mouse pad out, man. I'm treating this thing like it's a YouTube play button or something. I mean, this is some premium stuff. And usually when you throw packaging away, there's no way you're throwing this away. I'm definitely keeping that. So let's go ahead and put that to the side, and let's take a look at the actual mouse pad itself. And I already can tell you that this feels like a very nice quality mouse pad. So on the front, now this does come in two colors. You can either get black or you can get the brown. Now, as you see, this is the brown color. You also have some nice engraved Nomad Horween Leather Company, Chicago, established in 1905. Flipping it over on the back, you do have this very nice anti-grip material so it doesn't slip and slide all over your desk. On the bottom down here engraved, it says designed for adventure, but everything feels super high quality as you see here. And let me go ahead and grab an old mouse pad I had that I was using. So you see how flimsy this mouse pad is. Probably not made of real leather. I'm not sure. It could be. And I thought this was a very nice mouse pad. Now you can really get the tell and really the size of this mouse pad compared to the one I was using. So as you see here, this is the small mouse pad, and I'm using the MX Master. So anytime I make a dramatic move, you know, I'm already off the surface area of the actual mouse. So this is actually what I needed. I did want a bigger mouse pad to move the mouse around, and this is plenty big. The material, as you see, it makes a good sound. It is not that flexible, not that flimsy, and also this will patina over time. Now, if you don't know what that means it will give you that natural leather wear over time. Now, either you like that or you don't, but I mean, it is what it is. That's what you're dealing with when it comes to real Horween leather. But here it is. I will set this up on my desk, man. It is absolutely beautiful. Like I said, they do come in brown and also in a black color. And this actually is all the surface area I need when we're talking about an actual mouse. Now, this mouse pad over on Nomad website will run you a whopping $59.99. But if you already know, with Nomad, you're paying for quality. And if you're a gamer or if you're anybody out there, you know a good mouse pad is, you know, it's pretty expensive from what I did my research on. So 60 bucks for a mouse pad, but you're getting premium material. Look at the surface area you're getting with this mouse pad. And like I said, you can get a very nice black color that will match your, or if you have a brown, I feel like this is more of the work environment. But if you have a nice desk set up at home, I feel like the black will actually serve you very well. But as always, I will leave the link to this product down in the description for the black and the brown one. But as always, guys, drop down, like, comment, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll catch you next time. Later.